All right, for this problem on product rule, we're going to take the derivative of 3x squared plus 2 times 5x cubed plus x. Now, one way you could do this is by multiplying them out using FOIL and then using the power rule to do each term. But what we're trying to do is highlight the product rule, which I have written up here, to find the derivative. Now, for those who don't remember the product rule or can't read the board very well, the derivative of f of x times g of x is equal to f prime g plus f g prime. I call it the mix and match rule, where you take the derivative of each one in turn and you mix and match with the non-derivative. Now, the way that I like to do this to keep myself organized is I like to write out what f and what g are. So f of x in this case is going to be the first term, so 3x squared plus 2. And g of x is going to be the second term, 5x cubed plus x. Take the derivative of each. F prime of x is bring the 2 down, so it's 6x, drop the power by 1, so that's just 6x. The derivative of 2 is constant, of course. So g prime of x equals 3 comes down, 15x squared plus the derivative of x is 1. Now, the way we follow the formula is by taking f prime times g plus g prime times f. Now, because addition and multiplication are commutative, the order doesn't really matter. So if you wanted to multiply this diagonal, so g prime times f first, that's up to you, okay? It doesn't change the outcome. The reason I like to do this is because when you do quotient rule, the pattern is the same, f prime g. There, the order matters, so it helps to remember it in one way, and to keep things consistent. Anyway, it's going to be f prime, times g, so that's 6x times 5x cubed plus x, plus 15x squared plus 1 times 3x squared plus 2. That's this diagonal, 6x, 5x cubed plus x, plus this diagonal, 15x squared plus 1 times 3x squared plus 2. Now I'm going to FOIL it out and see if I can factor and combine. So I'm going to do 6x times 5x cubed, that's 30x to the 4th, plus 6x times x is 6x squared, plus 15x times 3x squared, 15x squared times 3x squared, which equals 45 x to the 4th plus 3x squared times 1 plus 15x squared times 2, 30x squared, then plus 2. Combining like terms, I see that I have a 30 and a 45, x to the 4th, so that's going to be 75 x to the 4th plus 6x squared, 3x squared, and 30x squared is 39x squared. And then plus 2. Now, I'm pretty sure that that doesn't factor, but that is our final result. So the derivative of this term is 75x to the 4th plus 39x squared plus 2.